boys and girls. Another experiment today, and this is so easy. Moms and dads and whoever's watching or at home, you just need a few ingredients. Some cotton swabs, some whole milk, and whole milk works best, and some Dawn soap. Pour the milk into a pie pan or a square 8x8 pan. Your Dawn soap goes into a little dish, and here's what you do. You take your food coloring, which is another ingredient, plop it down, put some red and some yellow, plop, 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 plop. All right, here's the fun part. Okay, dip your Q-tip or your cotton swab into the Dawn soap. See this? Now you're gonna put this right on top of the food coloring. Watch to see what is about to happen. Oh, look at that, boys and girls. Is that the coolest thing ever? So fun. Why is all the food coloring running away? Why isn't it staying in the same place? And you count to maybe 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Then quickly grab another one, dip it in the Dawn soap, swirl, swirl, swirl. See if it works again. Never know if it's gonna work. Nope. Oh, hang on, there it goes. It's going again. A little bit. It's still bubbling. What is happening to the milk and the Dawn soap? Chemical reaction, boys and girls. That is so cool. All right, I'm gonna quickly do it again into this one. Plop, 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 plop. Here comes some yellow. Plop, 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 plop. That's how quickly the science experiment is and how cool. All right, here goes the green. We're almost done. All right, take your cotton swab or your Q-tip. Swirl it around, swirl it around. Ooh, here it goes. Wow, look at that. That is so cool. It's so fun. It's just running away, making cool designs. This one is still activating. Oh my heavens to Betsy, I had no idea. This is lots of fun. So boys and girls, moms and dads, easy experiment. I'm sure you have most of this stuff at home. Give it a try. Have a good day.